I rented Airbnb for the weekend. Was it worth it? I don't know. Let's find out. I don't know. What is this? As you can see by the thumbnail, we rented this Airbnb to go fishing to see was it worth it or not. Let's see. Went to the bait shop this morning and got a little bait. Got some live shrimp, to be exact. There we go. We on. And we lost him. No, we didn't. No, we didn't. Big one, baby. Another speckled trout. Another speckled trout. Woo! And we on the board again. Another speckled trout. $15 inches legal size in Alabama. Oh, we had a fish on. You didn't even get the shrimp. Oh man, I think this is a little croaker. Yep, croaker. I don't know if you can hear the noise. Renting this Airbnb, is it worth it? Yes, worth every second. That is another keeper. But like I stated before, we got enough. So let him go. We finna switch over to cut bait. So we finna cut the camera, go get this cut bait, and we're gonna try that to see how that works. See if we can catch like a redfish or something bigger. What I'm really wanting to catch is the mangrove snapper. I never had one. You know, we don't rule nothing out until the day is done. Woo. That's a big juicy one. That joker big though. But for some reason, I don't know what it is about me and the big ones, but no diddy. No diddy. What did he say? Whoa! Man, that croaker hit hard. Spooked me a little bit. I ain't know what that was. It's a good size. Chill, little buddy. Get you back off in there. This a mangrove snapper? I don't know. I never seen one. That is a croaker. Heard him croak. I don't know if y'all can hear that now. I'm trying, little buddy. Hold on. All right, there you go. Have a good day, little fella. There you go. Whoa. 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 What is this? Oh. Whoa. You trying to get us over? Oh. What is that? Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Oh man, I need the nets. Come on, can we dock flip them? Can we dock flip them? Come on, come on. We landed them. We got what we came here for. The big red. The big red. This is what I came here for. We got him. Hope I can get my hook back. Oh my goodness. That hook is gone. But Y'all see that fish? Y'all see him? Yeah. That's what we've been looking for. Said red drum, 16 minimum, 26 max. But it is a long walk. $20 and a half. He's 20 and a half. So that means he is legal. And we need to get this hook out of him. The Airbnb has proven itself to me. Right there, that's the Airbnb. To me personally, is it worth it? If you want privacy to fish, not a lot of people, yes, it's worth it. It's more than worth it. With that being said, book the Airbnb. Hey, this your sign, book it, baby. Book the Airbnb.